Today's question is whether or not we've ever looked at using cocaine to treat ADHD. And the answer, very briefly, is not really, and for good reason. It's not a particularly good psychostimulant. Now, when I say not good, I don't mean it isn't strong. It creates a huge dopamine rush when someone takes it. The problem is that rush wears off fairly quickly. And when it comes to the treatment of ADHD, the psychostimulants we do use, like Adderall or methylphenidate, tend to be useful precisely because they last for a long time. They tend to ramp up and then stay at a nice high level for many, many hours. Interestingly, though, the research examining ADHD and cocaine has often found a relationship there in terms of potentially self-medication, with some evidence that we might see increased use of cocaine in unmedicated or untreated ADHD. And there is a caveat there. The research is mixed. Some other studies have suggested that more generally, you just see increased substance use in untreated or unmanaged ADHD. But regardless of which scenario turns out to be the more accurate one, specific cocaine use versus general substance use, we do consistently see that when someone's ADHD is properly treated, meaning the person is not experiencing as many negative symptoms, substance use tends to go away, cocaine or otherwise. And yes, I am a proponent of the sort of self-medication theory that when anyone uses a substance, it is usually to address some uncomfortable experience they're having, that if we can address it in another way, they no longer need that substance to do that job. As always, really appreciate the conversation. If you have any other questions I can answer, just throw them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and follow.